In this video, I will show you how to start creating AI UGC video ads like this.
So my feet feel literally glued to the floor. Zero heel wobble, pure control on heavy sets. Seriously, it's a cheat code for leg day. Look at this thing hover. If you want epic aerial shots but hate bulky gear, this is literally a cheat code.
Okay, if your lips are constantly dry, but you still want some color, you need this bloom.
And to do this, we're going to use this platform called ArcAds AI. But instead of using the traditional editor, I'm actually going to show you how to actually build these scalable AI ad generator workflows with the ArcAds AI workflow builder. So this is something not a lot of tutorials actually mention, even though this is by far the best and also the easiest and fastest way to create AI UGC video ads at scale. And by the way, you will find a direct link to this workflow that I will build with you in this video in the description. So if you just want to steal it from me, feel free to do so and start to mess around with it. But now let's get started with the video. So now to start creating AI UGC video influencer ads in style, what you want to do here first is head over to ArcAds AI website, and you will also find a direct link to this page in the description. Now just sign up over here. And after that, you're going to see your main dashboard. For example, here are some of the videos that I've created. But now what you want to do instead is, instead of creating the videos from over here, you're going to need to click this new workflow button here on the left-hand side. So this takes your ads to a completely different level. And it also makes it a much more easier process to follow and collaborate, and also to run this at scale. So you can, for example, create 10 ads with one single click, and they all remain consistent. If you're new to these workflow builders, let me very briefly demonstrate to you what is the idea over here. So basically, you have this kind of an infinite canvas, and you can now right click anywhere and you can add these different types of nodes into the view. And just an example, we can use a prompt as a text input node. So now we have one of these in, and if you, by the way, want to zoom in or out here, just press Command or Control depending on the platform you're using, and then scroll with your mouse. So this will allow you to zoom in, and if you just scroll up or down, you can move like this. But nonetheless, now let's say something like create an image of a 23-year-old influencer. And now instead of sending this message, we actually need to connect this into an image generator node. So that is the whole point of an AI workflow builder. So now we can drag a connection from this text port over here. If we do so, it allows us to choose the AI model type, for example, image generator, and now we have the prompt connected. And then we can move on over here. By default, it is saying that we're going to use Nano Banana Pro, but we can also click on here and then we can choose the model, for example, Nano Banana 2. And as you can see, ArcAds actually allows you to run this by using 0 credits up to 100 times per day. So this is pretty fantastic. So you can create 100 images of your influencers every single day without wasting any money. Let's hit run over here. And there we go. After about a minute or so, here is our unique and original image of an AI influencer. And now basically what you can do here is you can continue this workflow. So now you can, for example, draw a connection from the image port into a video generator model. And then very similar to how we selected in the previous section, you can also choose one of these models, for example, Seedance 2.0, VEO 3.1, Sora 2 Pro, or Grok Video, and you can turn this one into a video. But that is actually not what we want right over here, because this is just for demonstration. So let me actually show you how to actually create these AI UGC video ads with these scalable workflows. So let's delete stuff over here and let's start to build it from a complete scratch. So as the first step, I want to show you how absolutely mind-blowing powerful the Seedance 2.0 is for creating these UGC video ads. So first, let us add an input prompt over here like this. And I have pre-written this prompt, but I will read it out loud just to show you what it's doing. So there's no magic behind this. It's just literally me telling the AI what I want to see. And I have figured also out that it is best if you tell the AI to prompt itself. So this is actually a prompt with which I generate another prompt. I'm telling the AI, I'm creating an AI UGC ad that is about 15 seconds in duration. Then I'm telling the AI to write a short script based on a product that I'm about to promote. So here is the website that the AI should visit. So we have this product that I want the AI to analyze. Then I'm telling the AI that it should sound like it's your genuine recommendation. So this part will create the script that the influencer is going to read out loud in one of my videos that I'm about to create just over here on the right. Then I'm also describing the AI what kind of an influencer I want to create, and I'm basically letting the AI use their free imagination. So write a description of the person speaking in this script in a UGC style. So your task is to create a short but concise and accurate description of an AI influencer that should hold my product in their hands in an AI UGC video. And I will enter this prompt into a video generator. So basically this part here is just me telling the AI that I don't want any jargon into the prompt. I just want to have the script and the description so that the video generator doesn't get confused. And this is the key part over here. So the influencer and scene should look unpolished and candid, something that looks like a genuine recommendation taken on the spots spontaneously. And I want it to be accurate and concise. So only give me the description of the influencer followed by the script that they will speak in the video. And then I'm telling the AI that I have also attached an image of this product because I want to give it additional context. So basically what I'm asking the AI to do here is to read this website, understand what the product is about because I have no idea what this is even. Then I'm telling the AI to create a proper influencer to promote that product so that it basically matches perfectly with the target audience and everything makes sense in the eyes of somebody who is or who might be interested in a product like this. And now, speaking of attaching this image, I will now drag and drop the image over here. So if I zoom out just a bit and scroll down a bit, I can actually right click and click on upload, and it will allow us to upload an image into this upload block. And now what I can do next is I can connect this prompt in a very similar style how you would send it over ChatGPT by just hitting enter. Here in the workflow builder, you're just connecting it to an LLM. So this is essentially your ChatGPT node. So now you send this prompt over there, and then I'm also attaching the image to this part over here, and then I will just hit send. And as you can see, once again, that is 0 credits, which is pretty useful. And there we go. So here is a short description of the influencer that the AI put together. This is actually probably even shorter than this original prompt. So if you have a good idea for your script, or if you have a good idea for your description, feel free to just let the AI know directly. You don't need to use this middle step if you don't want to. But I think this is handy because I don't know about the product that I'm using. So nonetheless, here it is. So the script and the influencer description. And now what we can do next is we're going to connect this result into a video generator node. And we can click on here to choose the Seedance 2.0 model. And let's, for example, choose 15 seconds as our duration. And then last but definitely not least, let's also connect this image of the product over here, just so that the AI actually knows what it looks like. And then all we need to do is just hit run. And here is the result we got.
Okay, if your lips are constantly dry, but you still want some color, you need this Bloom Super Balm in Wild Plum. It has peptides, so it actually heals my lips. And the sheer tint is gorgeous. I literally haven't stopped using it.
Isn't that amazing? There is literally no way to tell if this is a real person or AI. Maybe the only part that could give it away is the text over here, because sometimes it still doesn't quite make sense. Other than that, this is just fantastic. And literally the only part I don't like about it is that there is still this 15 seconds of duration limit. So you cannot create longer ads. Then again, these types of advertisements should be very short to begin with. But that's one way to create these UGC ads. And now one of the issues I have with, for example, the Seedance 2.0 model is that it doesn't allow you to turn an image of an influencer into a video of that influencer because the sensitivity filters are through the roofs right now. So that can give you some problems. So you have to work with a lot of text here if you want to use the Seedance 2.0 model, at least at the time of making this video. That said, you can also definitely create an image of an influencer or a couple of images of your influencer and then use it in every single one of your ads as well. So here I have created just a touch more complex workflow, something that is still very easy to follow and understand though. We have a bit more notes over here. So basically I'm creating an image of an influencer, then I'm turning that image into an image of the influencer holding my product, and then at the last step I'm also turning that into a video where the influencer is talking about the product. So this is probably something you commonly want to do, and unfortunately that's not possible with Seedance, but with all these other models it is indeed possible. For example, Sora 2 Pro or Grok, Sora, whatever you might want to use, this is possible. And now what I have done here is basically I have added a very similar prompt that I had in the previous one. So you are a prompt generator. I want to make an AI UGC influencer. Then I'm just telling the AI that I have a skincare product. There should be a 23-year-old relatable and authentic looking woman influencer. And then I wanted to add keywords to make the character look actually realistic, not too polished or something that looks like AI generated. And then when I have connected this prompt into the LLM node, I'm getting this kind of a super complete and detailed description of my influencer, something that I could not write by myself because I don't even know what all these terms might mean. Then what I have done next is I have connected the result into a NanoBanana 2 AI image generator model, which gives me a very genuine looking result like this. It looks like a normal person holding her phone in a very messy room, so this does not look like an advertisement setup at all. Then very similar to the previous step, I have also added an image of my product over here, and then I have connected the influencer image and the product image into the NanoBanana 2 or NanoBanana Pro model, and then I'm just simply telling the AI to make the influencer hold the product in her hands. So there's nothing else. It's just a one simple sentence prompt and I get a result like this. So as you can see, the product looks exactly like it does here and the influencer looks exactly like it does over here. So this keeps the character consistency alive. Then what I have done next is I have added another prompt node over here. So I'm telling the AI to create the script for my video. So now we only have the image. Now we want to turn this image into a video. So it is a 15-second duration video. Then we have this very same website we just showed. So this is the landing page of this product. I tell the AI to read the product and format the result in a way that I can send it to an AI video generator directly. Here I'm even telling the AI to format in this way. So create a UGC style video where the influencer says, and then ... and then it should fill that in the result. And I'm also adding an image of the product and the influencer into the mix as well, just to give the AI a bit more context. Then I have connected the image over here where the influencer is holding the product, as well as the prompt into an LLM node. So this is once again the ChatGPT node, and I got a script like this back. So, okay, for my girls who love lazy no makeup day, you need this, and yada, yada, yada. Now, what we can do next is I will connect this result into an AI video generator node, and then I will also add this image where the influencer is holding the product as the starting frame of the video. So the video will start from this exact scene.
Okay, for my girls who love a lazy no makeup day, you need this. It's the Bloom Super Balm in the shade Plum. I have absolutely nothing else on my face right now, but this gives the perfect sheer berry tint. Plus, it's packed with peptides, so it actually hydrates and naturally plumps your lips. I'm literally obsessed.
I mean, that is just fantastic. And now please notice that you can tweak the number of creations. So I, for example, just created one video, but you can do 10 at a time. And also please notice that you can use all these different models. So Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, which sometimes a bit sensitive also to creating videos from images. Then you have Kling 3 Pro, VEO 3.1, although it's a bit shorter and a bit older one already in the AI space. Everything is moving so fast. Then the Seedance 2, but it usually doesn't work on a workflow like this where you have an image of an influencer. So if you want to use the Seedance 2 version, then you just have to use a lot of text and images of your products and backgrounds potentially. Now, that is how you can use ArcAds AI to create consistent, fantastic, realistic looking AI UGC ads all the way up to 15 seconds in duration. Make sure to check the link in the description if you want to start using ArcAds, so you will have a direct access to all these prompts and simple techniques I used over here to create these videos. But thank you so much for watching this one, and I hope to see you in the next one.